Michael Johnson will be fighting Daniel Zellhuber. This is the clash of super experienced UFC vet, and one could arguably say a young lion. Michael Johnson, he is 38 years of age, 5'10 cents, 3.5 inches of reach. He won so many great fights, and the guy defeated Darius Flowers and Dutmano Zaitar, lost to Diego Ferreira, Jamie Malaki, and was better than Alan Patrick and Mark Diakise. The other side, Zell Huber is 15-0, 25 years of age, 6'1", 77 inches of reach, Muay Thai, Jiu-Jitsu fighter, lost to Estevan Ribovic in a fight of the night, defeated Francisco Prado, Chris Giagos, Lando Vanato. I'm having a feeling this could be a very, very good fight, and I think Johnson is gonna fight technically. He ain't going to rush, but Zellhuber isn't super aggressive unless he has to. Against Ribovic, he had to fight, he survived. I think this fight gonna be more technical. Going with over 1.5, I give slight advantage to Zellhuber.